Hello guys, it's Cute4066 here, and I really didn't know what to do today, so I was planning on doing whatever the heck you recommend to do. In this video, I'm just gonna make it for fun. You can recommend for what you want me to do. And quick thing, I put this house up for rent in Animal Jam. Jag me if you are interested. It is, your payment to pay me is useless items that you don't need that I can recycle. That's basically what's the dealio. So, I thought we'd do some trading. Where should we go trading?
What? By the way, yes, I'm here. I'm not dead.
Yes, I have TillGirl7 AJ with me. Where should we go?
I just haven't been trading. I just haven't been, like, talking, you know.
Where should we go?
Go to Alden to where
Alden. Ramu. Not like everyone's in Alden because school's out.
Exactly. Well, that or they just skip school.
Yeah, the roads where we're at, they're
just terrible.
It's just a sheet of ice where we're at.
Yeah, so. If you're watching this, then, if you live in Ohio like we are, then you guys know what we're going through. I need to throw my popsicle stick away.
Now I'm in a sorrow. I want to go to Alden. Alden.
Oh, that's hilarious, actually. I hate it when it takes you to somewhere else.
Now it takes me to freaking... I want to go to Crystal Sands. Now I'm back in a sorrow. I'm just gonna spawn in wherever the heck it spawns me this time. Spawns me in Jamaa. Of course it does. Yeah, I can't stand Jamaa because there's no room. Now where the heck am I at? Asaro.
Why does it keep taking you to Asaro? Just go to Wubu's then.
Okay.
If it takes you first time, then that'll be pretty neat. Probably gonna take you to a different world,
Yeah,
though.
to the world.
Oh!
No.
Well, probably because people are still on the villain.
True. I'm just gonna take a look around here.
He's just showing all of his items. By the way, if you guys are wondering where I'm at, I'm just, like, trading with my friend, like, playing around with my friend on AJ.
No, I wanna go this way. I'm lagging a little bit in this den.
That's fine, because yeah.
What should I say?
By the way, oh, never mind. You should probably
Warrior.
You should probably stop recording your trades.
Okay, guys, I will show you the trades when I get them, okay?
Alright.
If they are good trades, I will put it on the camera and I will accept.
Alright.
Why the heck is this person in my den?
It's me, bro.
Oh. You know I already knew that, right?
Yeah, I just wanted to trade you.
Look at my mouse, it's all glitching out. I don't know if you guys see it, but I see it.
Well, I'm just gonna trade you. I'm slowly dying, Andrew.
What's my subscribe account?
You can open it. Wait, no, you can't record it.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back from the subscriber count.
You have substantive subscribers. I'm tweeting you. You can think about it, I don't care. Are you sure?
Yoink.
Yay! By the way, I made it like a little bit over if you didn't realize.
Oh.
But that's fine.
I don't know, I'm not a rare person.
I had 2 of those bows anyway, so I didn't want
it.
And I had 2 of
a
those.
whole bunch of stuff.
And I have 2 of those spikes. And I have 2 of those spikes.
Oh my god. Oh, that looks good.
Wait, make your phantom look with your pet phantom.
I don't know what animal to use in my phantom. Should I use it with this because it's part black too? Like they have black in it?
But then, yeah. I'm just installing my editor so I can make a video. Just don't put your phantom me on there.
But then I have my little blopper.
Blopper?
Blopper. I'm a little blopper.
What's a blopper?
It's a little ladybug that's dressed up as a hamburger.
A blopper.
A blopper.
A blopper.
Jelly Froggy.
There it is, Jelly Froggy.
Oh, my phantom.
And it's a rare phantom. Remember, he's very sensitive. I already showed you that.
I know.
You can decorate him. Decorate him.
He looks so cute.
No, decorate him.
Okay, a Pondale.
No, you can just decorate it from your inventory. You know, it'll be easier. And your viewers would like it. Your viewers like it better. Oh, kiss.
Okay. How the heck do I do this? Do I just click on it?
No. Why? How come you... Bro, you've been playing for, like, a while now. How do you not know?
Yeah, well, I am basically... I was a non-member, but then I had to figure out how to do all the member crap.
That's about what I need.
Nah.
Oh, wait. Aw. That's actually kind of cute.
No.
Your hand now.
Yeet.
Oh
no.
No.
That.
Oh, that looks so cute.
What's in here? I can put a little outfit on him. Oh no.
Well, look, you can give him spikes so he can match you.
I want that. What's in here? A witch's
A
book.
candy cane. Do a candy cane because it'll match Santa.
He's a kind one.
He's a kind. He's Santa.
You're a kind one, Mr. Grinch.
Oh, God.
That movie's old.
Man, when I do stuff like that, I just burst out singing the whole song.
Mr. Grinch. Ding, ding, ding. Buy this outfit for 200 gems.
Why'd you, like, not even have enough gems?
I have enough gems. I'm just very, very, very poor in the game.
Well, to be honest, I could also give you gems, so.
Goop. Goop, goop, goop. Oh, yeah, this... This den is up for rent.
Sorry. I'm just singing anime.
Yes, this den I've decorated up for rent. Yeah. Jelly. Please quit. Okay. So, yes, like I was saying, this house right here is up for rent. The way of paying is that you will give me unwanted items. You would give me unwanted items and I'll just recycle them and get money. Unless I want them. So, yeah. That's basically what it is.
So what are you gonna do now?
I don't know, really.
You could do a skit. How about you end this video and then we can do a video in a few minutes?
Okay. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope
Say
you
bye-bye.
enjoyed it. Leave a like.
Wait, hold on. Will my video be in this? Will my channel be in the description?
Yes.
Yay!
Drop a like on this video.
Alright.
Comment in the comments whatever the heck you want me to do next.
Exactly. Like, we can do skits, we can play adventures, we can do anything you guys want.
And, for the last and only time, this den is up for rent. The only way that you will pay me is giving me unwanted items and I'll just recycle them.
But if you... My channel will be in the description and subscribe to his channel. He is an amazing dude. And he will be posting every other week and every other day. And
possibly.
Of course, I post, like, every day.
Okay, guys.
But,
this is gonna be the end of the video. Oh, what, Yuli?
I was gonna say that tell them what you're gonna be doing on the channel, like doing skits,
Yeah, we are going to be doing a lot of things.
like skits, adventures, trading, and all of that good
Yep.
stuff.
All of that.
Maybe
good
even
stuff.
maybe even like Animal Gym updates or anything like that. Like we'll be reviewing the Animal Gym updates on camera.
Yep.
Like that'll be pretty nice.
We might end up revealing the rear end of Monday sometimes.
Well,
If-
I do that every week.
So,
Well, at
yeah.
least I used to. Well, bye, YouTubers. Bye-bye.
See you later. Adios. Drop a like on the video. Comment. Subscribe, yes. That, of course.
And by the way, if he hits 100 subscribers, I will be giving away a Spike.
Yes. If I hit 100 subscribers, we will be doing a Spike giveaway. So, yeah. This is Cute24066.
24066. Cute 24066. See you later.
This is Cute24066. I'm out.